Are you ready to transform your cooking experience with the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 Mini Air Fryer Oven Combo? This compact kitchen powerhouse offers the convenience of 4 cooking functions, smart programs, and even cooking technology that delivers mouth-watering results every time. Get ready to discover how this little wonder can make a big difference in your kitchen. Picture this: deliciously crispy wings, perfectly roasted veggies, and decadent cinnamon buns, all prepared with just one appliance. If that sounds like a dream come true, you're in for a treat. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 Mini Air Fryer Oven Combo is about to revolutionize the way you cook. Stay tuned to find out how. 4-in-1 functionality. Let's start with the basics. The Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer Oven is not just an air fryer, it's a culinary multi-tool. It can air fry, bake, roast, and reheat all in one compact package. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to streamlined cooking. Even crisp technology. Ever wonder how to achieve that perfect golden finish and irresistibly crispy texture on your dishes? Need even crisp technology? It's the secret sauce behind the Instant Vortex's ability to deliver crispy, tender results every single time. No more guessing games, your food will come out just the way you like it. One-touch smart programs. Don't consider yourself a chef. No worries. The Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer Oven has your back with its one-touch smart programs. Whether you're in the mood for wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, or sweet cinnamon buns, there's a program for that. Cooking gourmet meals has never been this easy. Fast preheating. Time is precious, and the Instant Vortex respects that. Say goodbye to long preheating times. This little wonder can go from frozen to golden in minutes. With a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides the versatility needed to create a wide range of dishes quickly and efficiently. Easy cleanup. Nobody enjoys scrubbing pots and pans. Fortunately, the Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer Oven makes cleanup a breeze. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray ensure that you spend less time cleaning and more time savoring your creations. A kitchen must-have. If you're looking for an appliance that's perfect for quick, delicious meals, side dishes, appetizers, and even those game day wings, the Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer Oven is a kitchen must-have. It's the ideal companion for 1-minute 2 servings, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Discover amazing recipes. But wait, there's more. The Instant Brands Connect app, available for both iOS and Android, unlocks a treasure trove of new recipes. You'll never run out of culinary inspiration with over 100 recipes at your fingertips. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your newfound cooking prowess. Safety features. Safety is a top priority with the Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer Oven. It's equipped with built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off to provide you with peace of mind while you cook up a storm in the kitchen. Compact design with a pop of color. Not only is the Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer Oven packed with functionality, but it also boasts a stylish compact design with a pop of color. It perfectly combines function and style, making it a countertop-friendly addition to any kitchen. In conclusion, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 Mini Air Fryer Oven Combo is a game-changer for home cooks of all levels. It's versatile, easy to use, and designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable and efficient. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to culinary convenience. If you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, click the link in the description below and make the Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer Oven Combo your kitchen's new best friend. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey, and here's to countless delicious meals ahead.